Good morning and Assalamualaikum grade 1. This is your teacher Pisina with lecture 3. Let's move to our next page of reading Tom's Parrot. In the previous pages, what we read that there is a boy whose name is Tom and his parrot's name is Polly. He is finding his parrot. He called his parrot again and again, Polly come, but Polly didn't come. Then he went to his mother and asked about mango. So his mother gave him a mango. Then he came out with mango. Now continue with it. Polly is sitting in the tree. Tom calls the parrot again. Polly, Polly, come here, says Tom. The parrot sees the mango. The parrot comes down. The parrot picks the mango. Tom is happy. Polly, the parrot, is happy too. Again, read it with the spelling. P-O-L-L-Y, Polly, I-S-S, S-I-T-T-I-N-G, sitting, I-N-N, T-H-E, the, T-R-E, T-R-E-E, tree. T-O-M, Tom. K-A-L-L-S, calls, T-H-E, the, P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot, A-G-A-I-N, again, P-O-L-L-Y, Polly, P-O-L-L-Y, Polly, K-O-M-E, come, H-E-R-E, here, S-A-Y-S, says T-O-M, Tom, T-H-E, the, P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot, S-W-S, sees, T-H-E, the, M-E-N-G-O, mango, T-H-E, the, P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot, K-O-M-E-S, comes, T-O-2-T-O-M, Tom. T-H-E, the, P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot, P-E-C-K-S, speaks, T-H-E, the, M-A-N-G-O, mango, T-O-M, Tom, I-S-S, H-A-B-B, happy, H-A-B-B-Y, happy, P-O-L-L-Y, Polly, T-H-E, the, P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot, I-S-S, H-A-B-B-Y, happy, T-O-O-T, too. Nicholas Horsburgh. This is the writer, this is the poet of this poem. Now, Polly is sitting in the tree as Tom is finding in his parrot and he is sitting on the tree. Tom called the parrot again. He is trying it again. Polly, Polly, come here, says Tom. But the parrot cannot come. But when the parrot sees the mango, the parrot comes to Tom. So, the Tom knows what the parrot like. Parrot liked mango. When he saw the mango, he came down. The parrot peeks the mango. Peeks means usko kutarna khana shuru kiya. Then Tom is happy as the parrot has come down, and Polly the parrot is also happy to see and eat the mango. So now read the whole poem with the proper pronunciation and spellings and do the writing too. Thank you.